Okay, quick IVF update. I am in the same clothes, and that is because it's the day before surgery right now as I'm filming this. I'm supposed to be on bed rest. On my Patreon this month, some of the videos that are going to be on there is how to get into the porn industry, how to give the best blowjob ever. We also have the drama and tea on the surveillance video that I had posted up and then deleted. So if you ever want to know about that, all of those videos are exclusive videos for Patreon only, so I will also leave that link down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. I haven't been very good about updating you guys with like everything going on, so I just wanted to sit down really quick and let you guys know where we're at. Basically, surgery is tomorrow. This is a really big deal because last time we did this, we got, I think, 13 eggs extracted. Within the next 5 days after my surgery, we find out how many embryos we get. And last time we only got one that survived, and it was devastating. It was traumatic for me, and it was just a really hard thing to go through. And so I am like really nervous about not just like being put under anesthesia and having surgery and, you know, what kind of pain I'm gonna be in after, but also like, is this gonna work? Are we gonna be able to get an embryo? Because I'm older now, and I think because of my endometriosis, my egg quality is just shit. Like, it's really bad. And so I'm pretty sure that's why we only got one embryo that survived last time. You know, they were pretty hopeful, and they're like, you're young and like everything looks good. But then they just kept like dying off and weren't very good. I'm nervous because I'm older now, and so, you know, the longer you wait to do this kind of stuff, the less your chances are. And so I'm just scared, and I'm just like really hoping and praying it'll work. And I have all of you guys that have been so supportive towards me, and I have, you know, an amazing support system here at home, my family and my husband, and I'm so like grateful that I have Snow. And I said this before and I'll say it again, like, if for some reason this doesn't work, I'm just so grateful knowing that like I have Snow, and she's right now my whole world. She'll always be my whole world, but I'm just kind of preparing myself in case it doesn't work, because I know if it doesn't work and I'm preparing myself, like, I'm still gonna be devastated. But I'm just like, I don't want to go into it last time, or I don't want to go into it this time like I did last time, which was like very optimistic and like, you know, thinking I was gonna get a bunch of embryos to freeze, and you know, we could have more siblings, like more kids and siblings for Snow. And so yeah, I think I'm just really scared. I'm scared of what the outcome is going to be. And so it is a new doctor. I'm on more medication this time, and I'm just hoping and praying that the surgery goes well, we get decent eggs, and within the next 5 days we at least get one embryo, because even though that would still suck, at least we get one chance to try to get pregnant again, you know. And after putting my body through all this and spending all this money, like, I at least want to be able to try to get pregnant again. And so all we need is one embryo. But again, I'm just really just scared. So just kind of wanted to update you guys, let you guys know. I do go into surgery tomorrow. I don't know when this video is going to go up, probably like 2 days after my surgery. But if you follow me on Instagram, you will like see everything, because I post it a lot on my stories. I am in so much pain. I don't know if I told you I'm supposed to be on bed rest right now, but it like hurts to even walk this time around, and this was not my experience last time. Last time, like, I was at Coachella, like, I was fine. And I remember, because I watched one of my old videos back, like going into surgery, and I was like, I don't feel bloated like a lot of other people do. So, you know, and it's so crazy, you guys. Like, I have been talking to some other people that have gone through IVF, and they get like 33 eggs extracted, like when they go for egg retrieval. And the girl I was sitting into at my last appointment in the waiting room, she was like, yeah, we have 17 embryos frozen. And I'm like, holy crap, that's crazy. So like, you know, and she was older than me. So, you know, you just never know. Like, everybody's bodies are different. Everybody responds to things differently. Medications work differently on different people. You could be like, you know, 40 and overweight and just you know, like not be healthy and do way better than someone that, you know, works out every day and is healthy. And so you just never know like what's gonna happen. And so even though like I look healthy, you know, my eggs I don't think are. So that's kind of like our dilemma right now. So anyway, that's what's going on. Pray for me. If you pray, cross your fingers, whatever, I don't care. But definitely stay tuned. I'll be updating you guys as much as I can and keep you guys posted on our IVF journey. But that's kind of where we're at right now. So wish me luck. Surgery's tomorrow. I'm in a shit ton of pain. I can barely walk, and I think it's because of my endometriosis. Oh, I definitely, hold on. I wanted to mention this really quickly. Last time I did this, I did not have this much pain, but I also had a laparoscopy to clean out my endometriosis and like the adhesions and scar tissue, and this time I did not. So I've had 2 surgeries to remove my endometriosis, but I did not get it this time around, and I know that I've had like, it's like worse than it's ever been, my endometriosis. With the medications I'm taking, it actually has flared up my endo, and so the pain is just like crazy, like I'm on bed rest, like I could barely walk, so I can't pick up snow, like any of that. So it's definitely been different in that sense this time from the last time. So a lot of people ask me like, oh, is it worth it to have surgery if you have endometriosis? And before I was like, no, because it's grown back way worse. And so I really still don't know the answer to that question, but I do know that if you don't get a surgery to remove it before IVF, that it can be extremely painful. So just throwing that out there. All right, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.